Have you tried just about every diet out there? Have you lost weight just to find it back again? With our proven weight loss advice, you will be able to lose all the weight you want and keep it off. You can finally stop the yo-yo dieting cycle and see success. Exercise is a requirement of any weight loss effort. Simply reducing calorie intake will not prove effective unless supplemented by physical activity. Taking a quick walk burns calories, gives you energy, and boosts your metabolism. More rigorous activities will burn calories faster and build more muscle and increase your endurance. Whole grains are complex carbohydrates which take longer for your body to break down, which means that when you eat them you stay fuller longer, and the gradual release of energy from these foods means that you avoid cravings. Refined grains are simple carbohydrates, as they are quickly broken down into glucose by the body. Avoid these. Most popular forms of grains, such as pastas and cereals, can be gotten in a whole grain variety. When you are trying to lose weight, it is really helpful to have a weight loss buddy. Having someone you know and trust to share your successes and challenges with makes the path to getting fit much easier. Find someone who shares the same goal of getting healthy and touch base with him or her regularly, so that you both can compare notes and encourage each other. If you're trying to lose weight, make sure to avoid the yo-yo effect. This is what happens when you lose a lot of weight quickly in a crash diet and then gain the weight back just as rapidly. Following a short-term diet can help you in the long run focus on permanent lifestyle changes. Instead of eating ice cream, you can try this handy tip. Freezing some low-fat, whipped topping and adding it to the top of some fresh berries can leave you feeling just as satisfied as you would if you had ice cream. This has much less sugar, calories and fat. In order to lose weight, you should be active for at least 30 minutes a day. This is a good start for those who are inactive. The exercise does not need to be strenuous, just enough to get you up and moving. You will feel better, digest your food better and have more energy. Take time out each day to play with the kids. Yes, your kids do offer great benefits by way of joys that are unique and fun that you could never have without them. But they also provide a great reason to get outside and spend some time being as active as possible, which can promote weight loss quite a bit. Pay attention to what tastes delicious to you. People often eat out of habit without realizing that they do not particularly enjoy what they are eating. Make sure to savor every single bite. If you go to a restaurant and the food is not cooked to your liking, either send it back or order something else. You are not required to eat foods just because you paid for them. Your health is more important than the money anyways. You will lose weight if you carefully consider whether or not to eat what is in front of you. It is a personal choice. As you can see, our tips are easy things you can do to see lots of success in your weight loss journey. If you will follow our tips and advice, you will be at your goal weight in no time and kick that extra weight out of your life.